Okay, today guys, I'm gonna show you how to make a freak of nature in melon sandbox. So, we need to find nano assembler, which is in this category. And then we gotta take a melon, cactus, pumpkin, corn, and apple. And boom, put them in there, activate it in a little bit, and wait, kaboom! You have your special little freak of nature. And if you want to make him look even weirder, you can go to the bottom of the swords category, scroll up a bit, take this, and boop. I said boop. Now he's glowing. But if you hit him again, he'll glow even more. Boop. 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 Look how glowy he is, guys. Also, guys, if you do this, boop, boom, he's a balloon now. But if you take this, you can do that. Oh, I popped him. Oopsie. And then we're just gonna hit it with that, and now it's good. Okay, bye guys, bye.